In a small town surrounded by rolling hills, there was a place called Starry Meadow. People whispered stories about magical star-shaped flowers that only bloomed at midnight. It was said that these flowers could grant incredible luck to whoever found them. Curious and adventurous, two friends, Emma and Liam, decided to uncover the secret of Starry Meadow. One clear evening, armed with flashlights and a map, they set off on their adventure. The map had been passed down through Emma's family, and it was full of strange symbols and riddles. The first riddle read, "To begin your quest, find the stone that glows in the dark, where wishes are whispered into the wind." "That must mean the wishing stone near the big oak tree?" said Emma, her eyes lighting up. "Let's go," said Liam, leading the way. They hurried to the big oak tree and found the glowing stone. Etched on its surface was another clue. Follow the trail of sparkling fireflies to find the guardian of the meadow. Emma and Liam looked around and soon spotted fireflies blinking like tiny lanterns in the distance. They followed the glowing trail, the cool night air filled with excitement. At the end of the trail, they reached a shimmering pond. A silver fish jumped out of the water and spoke in a soft voice. "To enter Starry Meadow, you must answer this. What can fill a room but takes up no space?" Emma and Liam thought for a moment. Then Emma smiled and said, "Light!" The fish nodded. "You are wise. The path to the meadow is now open." The water sparkled and a glowing bridge appeared, leading them across the pond. On the other side, they found themselves in Starry Meadow. The meadow was breathtaking. The star-shaped flowers glowed softly, lighting up the entire field. In the center of the meadow was a single golden flower, shining brighter than the rest. Next to it, a sign read, "Take only what you need, for the meadow's magic must be shared." Emma and Liam were faced with a choice. They could each take a flower for themselves and keep the luck, or they could leave the flowers for others to discover and share the magic. "What do you think we should do?" Emma asked Liam. Liam replied, "I think the sign is right. If we take too much, the magic might fade for everyone." "What would you do? Take a flower for yourself or leave the flowers to share the magic with others?" Emma and Liam decided to leave the flowers untouched, knowing they had experienced the true magic of Starry Meadow just by being there. They learned that some treasures are even more special when shared. What would you decide? Let us know in the comments and join us on our next adventure.